The market squeezes higher. Are the bears officially dead? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so in last week's video, we talked about the fact that I would like to see a bigger pullback. However, over 58.50, and that dream was dead, and that's exactly what we saw as the market pushed through 58.50 on its way to over 5,900 and our overall target in the 6,070 region. Now the question is, are the bears officially dead? I'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, we had some big changes over the weekend. We updated our indicator and got all the noise out. We made it so everything appears on one chart. We made it super simple to use. I'm going to jump in and show you the results for the month so far. They are absolutely crushing, and I want you to be a part of this. So let's check it out. All right, so the last day here, we ended with a big, strong 5-point buy on a day trade, guys. That's incredible. No signal on the way down. We did get a little buy that lost here, and the next signal came in on this sell, which was a really nice winner. Then we got a buy here that took us all the way back up, a really nice winner, another $2-3 winner. And if you play the end of the day, there was a sell here that was also a really, really nice winner. Moving into the next day, another sell that was a really nice winner, another buy that's a really nice winner. Then we got into chop, and this is just part of it. We get chop sometimes, but we eliminated a ton of chop with our update. So we have a 3 strikes and you're out policy. We would have taken 3 of these trades and then been done for the day. So a few small losers because that's how it works with stops. And we just keep riding these big winners. So you had a little bit of chop through here. Then you had another big buy winner here, another huge sell winner here, another sell winner here, and then a buy into the close that crushed. You have a buy winner here that's really big, a sell winner here that's really big, another sell winner here that's really big, a buy winner here that's really big. You get a couple buy losers here looking for a bounce off of this. They ended up selling it down. Our next signal, another huge buy winner. We get 1 sell loser, 2 sell losers, then a winner right here. And then they take it back up, no signal there. We get a sell on the way down that's a winner, a small buy winner. And then they sell at the close, which if you want to play the close, you play the close. Moving on, you get another big winner to the downside. This thing is killing, guys. You get another huge winner to the upside. This is like a 5-point move right here that you're in at the absolute bottom of. So you had a buy winner here, a buy loser, and then a buy absolute crusher, a sell winner at the top of that. It came down, a sell winner here and a sell winner here. Smaller winners, these are going to be your initial stop outs. So you take your 20% profit and then you get stopped out. So these are going to be smaller winners, but these are 100% plus winners right here. They're incredible trades. Today, or yesterday, I should say, wasn't the best day. They had 1 decent sell that was okay, and then a couple stop outs, a sell at the close. Another thing I really love about this indicator, guys, is if you look, it's pretty good about telling you what's going on into the future. As you get a sell into the close here, market gaps down. You get a sell at the close here, market gaps down. You get a sell, a buy at the close here, market gaps up. A sell at the close here, market gaps down. You're in a buy state right here, so we got no sell signal. So our last signal was still to buy this market gaps up. You get a sell signal up here, market gaps down. So this thing is just killing it. It's now cleaned up, so you don't have to have 3 charts open. You don't have to decide which trade is which. Everything that prints is a trade, and it is a absolute killing indicator. If you want to get this indicator, simply head over to our website, and under the membership plans, there's Trading View indicators and courses. Right here, you can get it for $59 a month or $5.90 for the year, where you get 2 months for free. You can see what everybody's saying about it down below. It's absolutely crushing. You can use it on other securities. However, it is built for the SPY, the ES, and the SPX. That is all it's been tested on. That is all I use it on. But other members in our room do use it on other securities as well. So you have the opportunity to get that there. I really want you to be a part of this, guys, because it's absolutely crushing. I don't have a free trial on it, but what I will do is tell you, go ahead and check it out. And if you don't like it, shoot me an email and say, hey, this isn't what I wanted, and I'll refund your money if it's within a month. So kind of a 30-day money-back guarantee there if you want to get it and check it out. But otherwise, let's jump into the charts and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1-hour futures chart for the S&P 500. We talked yesterday about a few different things, you know, where the 1-2 is going to line up, if this wave 2 was going to give us a deeper pullback, if this wave 1 was going to top over here. Because it's kind of a very shallow wave 2, we would have liked to have seen a bigger wave 2 back down here into that 55, 60, 5600 area. They never broke support. They never broke down through this area, so we never got that move. And then I said if they broke through 58.50, we would likely see them squeeze, and that's exactly what we saw as they pushed up over 5,900 today, closing above that area. And setting up for 6,007 being the next target to the upside. That would be our minimum target. Our more common target would be 6,073, the 1236, and that would be wave 3 of 3. Then we would look for a little bit of a pullback and then continuation on up to the 6181 area, and overall about 6288, 6300 in that area with the setup that we currently have. So again, we'd be looking for the 1.0 as a minimum, but more likely the 1236, a pullback, about 6,200, and then about 6,300 like that. Now to the downside, there is a scenario where we're looking at this being the top. Remember, we talked about that 5850 ES area a while back, and with the contract roll, that's a 60-point contract roll, that does move up to about 5910, which is about where we're at right now. So the market would want to reject in this 5910 to 5940 area as a bigger diagonal off of this low for a fifth wave to complete the move up, and then we look for a strong move to the downside that breaks support after that. So that's going to be our bearish alternative as of right now. A wave 2 pullback just doesn't really fit the mold anymore of off of this low. Having one of C here is just going to be too high for the AB structure that we have under it. So I wouldn't be looking for that kind of move from here. So a breakdown from here that breaks through this upper support and then ultimately down through the 5560 area would be the warning for the bulls. Over on the NASDAQ, all right, the NASDAQ also broke out. We've been counting this 1-2-1-2 setup with this move up over the 764. They're through the pivot, so our minimum target would be the 20,774 area. They got pretty close to that today. We would look for them to actually hit 21,067 as the natural target, then look for a pullback, then look for 21.5, 21.6, one more pullback, and then 22,000 overall on the NQ for this move up that we've been tracking here. So if NQ continues to the upside, 20,774 is the minimum target I'd be looking for. 21,067 is the target that I'd want to see. I also want to see the NQ start outperforming the SPY and the ES, where we're getting 1.5–2% gains on the NASDAQ and maybe 1% gains on the ES, something like that, because it has so much catching up to do to get back to its all-time highs, whereas ES is printing new highs every day. So that's an important thing to note. If ES is not leading, or I'm sorry, if NASDAQ is not leading, that is something that would worry me overall, as they do need to kind of catch up to get back up here. Bearish count would be, again, that we're making a higher B wave here in a bigger sense, where the move down is A, the move up is a B wave, and then we look for C to the downside. We can now move this over. And in that case, we'd be looking at a bigger corrective move with this C wave coming back down below these lows from back in August and breaking down below this level right here. This 19,816 level would be a warning to the bulls. And we should see acceleration to the downside should this level break. So this will be a key level, 19,8, about 825, 816, whatever this low is right here. That's what we're looking at for the bears to break to get any kind of momentum to the downside going. Otherwise, pressure remains up with the next target being 21,067 as a natural target, but our minimum target of 20,774. Guys, if you love the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. It'll take you over to our webpage. Once you're there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 incredible plans that both come with a 7-day free trial, because I want you to get in there. Make sure you love it. Become part of the trading team. Become part of the crew. Make sure it's for you before you ever spend a penny. You can cancel at any time, and you literally have nothing to lose by checking us out. We also have our yearly plan where you can get a free month, and you get a 7-day trial with that as well. Now, if you're looking to learn Elliott Wave, we have our courses. It's over on our indicator page. We have our beginner's course and our advanced Elliott Wave course. These courses are helping traders understand this market in a way that makes sense. It can be so complicated with these patterns that are overlapping and very odd and tricking many buyers and sellers into getting trapped. And these courses help you figure that out. In the advanced Elliott Wave course, we go through all of the advanced patterns like diagonals, double and triple threes, flats, triangles, and how to trade Elliott Wave. Everything that makes this a complex market you can figure out. As you can see on the screen, it's helping our traders learn and make money and navigate these difficult markets. But if this is too advanced for you, or you're looking just to get started, we also have our Elliott Wave for Beginners online course. This course is helping real traders make real money and finally understand the stock market in a way that makes sense. It can be so confusing when good news makes the market go down and bad news makes the market go up. This is because the news cycles don't matter, and Elliott knew this long ago. He knew that key levels mattered, and he knew what happened when they broke and what happened when they held, and this gives you a huge trading advantage over the rest of the market. Now, this particular course is 25 videos where I go over the introduction, which gets you involved in Elliott Wave Theory and introduces you to it, the KISS method and why it works. We go through your chart setup and tools, all the tools you need to use with Elliott Wave Theory, why we use them and how we use them, as well as your Elliott Wave for Beginners area where we go through each of the waves. I measure them for you, show you how to get understand if they're succeeding, how to understand if they're failing, what the key levels are, how to find the key levels, the theory of alternation, the pivot, everything you need to know to make sense of this irrational market. Now, the cool thing about these is if you want to get them both at a discount, you can get our bundle pack and get $37 off. But if you want to get them for free, simply join our monthly rooms as they are included in this price. In our first room, the Invest with Jacob room, you get all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, all of your Elliott Wave questions answered, a midday video where I go through all of your questions. We go live through all of the charts, go through the big picture, make sure that you understand exactly where we are in the counts, and then go through any individual charts you guys want to see. We also get all of the training material you just saw, the Elliott Wave for Beginners and advanced courses. Now, if you're looking for futures trading, individual stocks, income trading, and advanced training, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as futures trading, as well as individual stocks. His income trading method is crushing the market, and he does his reduced risk binary method that gets you in at a cheap price and gets you huge multiples on your money, and it's how he structures the trade that's so unique. It's something you really have to see to understand, which is another reason for that 7-day free trial. He also started a challenge account where he put $4,000 into an account, trading mini ES futures, showing you how to build a small account into a large retirement or savings account. Guys, we'd love to have you in these rooms so we can all make money together. All right, our key takeaways for today, we are extending to the upside. We're looking at 6,007 as a minimum target, 6073 as our natural target. Should the bears be able to break back down below this 5724 area, that would be a warning to the bulls, and we could see acceleration to the downside from there. Over on the NASDAQ, you have the same situation. A breakout to the upside is occurring. 20,774 is our minimum target, but we'd really look for 21,067. If they do breaking down below this 19,815 area would be a warning. Guys, that is your market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.